noticed some decrease in sales. Let me explain how to deal with this. Hi, welcome to our Dropship Club channel. My name is Anna and I know your problem. You've seen the nice peak in sales during the high season and now you're a bit disappointed because your graphs are decreasing. How to survive and bring some customers back? First of all, why does it happen? Do you know these holidays at the end of the year you get unique shoppers? Most of them visited your store without knowing anything about your brand. This means they forgot about your business entirely if you didn't keep them interested. They made some impulse purchases and forgot about you. Turning these holiday shoppers into repeat customers can significantly affect your retention metrics and each customer's profitability. I know some tips that will help you. Let's walk through a few effective ways to get that done. Check Google Trends, YouTube, Amazon and your competitors, BuzzFeed and so on to find what's going to be trendy this year. Just be curious and ready to learn more about this world. It's time to tease your customers with exciting reasons to return to your site. Well, this month is perfect for updating your products listing. Delete some outdated products and upload some trendy ones. Check your sales charts and upload more types of popular products. We have some guides on how to find winning products on AliExpress for your store. Now it's time to remind your customers about your store. Emails are a great way to stay in touch with your customers. Grab your customers' emails and start sending them some cool newsletters with your new arrivals and special discount coupons. Create newsletters and follow-ups in your favorite email service. We create ours in the MailChimp and are happy about them. If you want some extra email templates from our expert, check the services page on our website. January is the best moment for planning the whole year. Create your calendar of sales, newsletters, plan and content plan for your social media accounts. Now you know what tricks and channels brought you the most significant part of the profit and can focus your efforts on them. After placing a Facebook pixel on your dropshipping store, try retargeting customers that reached the checkout. This keeps you engaged with your online shoppers and allows you to continue building a stable relationship with your customers. You don't need a really high budget to get started. Most likely, this audience won't be huge, so a daily budget of just $5 to $10 can do the job. You can also try retargeting ads in Google Ads, especially if you've created your audiences beforehand. Hope that these tips will help you during this slow season. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more of them. I'm also waiting for your questions in the comments. Join our Dropship Club to gain success in dropshipping. See you!